Hello guys, my name is Vishal. I am from Jharkhand. I am a UX designer and currently I live in Bangalore. I have a lot of hobbies. I do pottery, I learn languages, but my biggest hobby I would say is cooking. I think I'm a pretty good Insta cook. I post a lot on Instagram and you can check me out at the rate Vishal Food Feed. So today I'll be cooking three dishes. First one is Vietnamese inspired food. It's basically pho, but it has a lot of toppings. Traditional pho doesn't have so many toppings, but today we'll be putting a lot of vegetables on top. Second dish is Korean inspired. We are cooking eggplant and chicken in bulgogi sauce. And the third dish we are cooking is Thai dish. It's raw papaya salad. I've taken a large vessel, fill it with water, and place your meat. I'm taking chicken thighs. You can also put vegetables, discarded pieces like carrot peels, radish. I'm also putting a spring onion. We are putting some spices, black cardamom, cinnamon, and also some star anise. I'm also putting some Szechuan pepper. We are placing it in tea infuser. You can make a small potli if you want, so that it gets out easily. We'll get all of this in boil. While it's boiling, I am going to saute some ginger, garlic, and onion. We'll be putting all those in our soup to boil. When you caramelize or ginger, garlic, and onion, it gives very good flavor. So that's why we are caramelizing it. Now it goes inside my soup. This will boil for 45 minutes to 1 hour. So now we are cooking our eggs. I'm placing it in my chopping board. So I'm going to chop it like very. Now that all our toppings are done, I'll soak our noodles. That's the last step. So I'm taking 2 of these, maybe 3 because I'm cooking for 3 people. On top of it, make sure everything is nicely submerged. So what this will do is the noodles will loosen up, then we can boil it properly. तो इसको साइड में रख देते हैं, ये हो रहा है. अब हम सेकेंड डिश बनाने जा रहे हैं. तो टुडे वी आर कुकिंग 2 dishes. One is this noodle soup. Second one we are cooking this. ये बैंगन है, पतले वाले, छोटे वाले. So we'll be cooking eggplants Korean style. So it's basically eggplant bulgogi style. 1.5 inch pieces roughly. Yeah, so next we will place it in a bowl and we'll put little bit of salt and we'll let it sit. So in some time it will start losing water. Ginger, garlic and onion is chopped and our eggplant has been releasing some water. So what I'll do is I'll squeeze them out to let some water out. So I've squeezed water out of our eggplants. Now I'll be seasoning it. So we are putting 1 lime juice. Yeah, so we squeeze some lemon in this. We are taking green onion now, the bottom part of green onion. I'll be slitting them in half from center. I'll be putting it in my eggplants. So now we'll be putting some sauces in this. So this is gochujang. You might not get this in India. I got it from Korea. It's basically Korean chili pepper paste, but this can be replaced by Kashmiri mirch and honey. So you can mix Kashmiri mirch and honey, and that can be a replacement for this. So there'll be some more sauces going in. This is soy sauce, regular soy sauce we'll be putting. Very little, like 1 teaspoon. Some rice wine vinegar. This is Shaoxing wine. If you don't get it, it's okay. It's just optional. It's used in most Chinese and Korean cooking. So some of this. and some fish sauce. It's very readily available in India. A little bit of this. I'll also be putting some honey. I'm not putting any additional salt because I already soaked them in salt, and soy sauce and fish sauce has a lot of salt. I'm putting some sesame. So this is toasted sesame. I'll be putting a little bit of this. Now our ginger and garlic, chopped ginger and garlic will go in. That's it. We'll give it a nice mix. So we are mixing it well. And now we'll let it sit and marinate for some time, maybe 10 minutes. So we're keeping it inside. So we are getting back to our soup. It's been almost an hour that this has been boiling. So I think it's done. It's nicely done. We'll be adding one more ingredient. We'll be adding same Shaoxing wine, a little bit, but again this is optional. Give it a quick stir, and now the chicken is cooked. I'm taking chicken out. Carefully, I'm taking it out, and I am placing it in plate. See how nicely it's cooked. All meat is out of the bone. And this broth, we are going to strain it out. So we'll be straining all veggies and everything out, and we'll get a clear broth. So we are now going to strain it. I'll be pouring this soup again on this. It's hot. And I'll place it here. So this has reduced quite a lot from how much we want. I'll be adding some more water to it. And I'll heat it up later when we are serving. So our soup is ready. We'll heat it up later when we're serving. Let us shred our chicken. So chicken is cooked very nicely. So we are done with shredding our chicken. So everything is ready for our soupy noodle. Taking a pan and some oil. I'm using canola oil here, but you can use refined oil, sesame oil, anything. Let's saute our onion for 30 seconds. We're not going to like brown them or cook them a lot. Ho gaya. Now I'm putting our marinated eggplant. And since we have a lot of shredded chicken, why not put some of it there? You can put any meat here. You can put prawns, you can put chicken. You need not have boiled chicken all the time. Whatever meat you have available in your house, you can put with it. It goes really well. Or if you don't have meat, just eggplant also is really good. Yeah, so eggplant को हमने ढक दिया है. Let it cook for like 2-3 minutes. Our noodle has been soaking. Our water is almost boiling. So I'll put noodles in our water. And we'll cook it for 10 minutes approximately. इसको देखते हैं. Cook हो रहा है. Chopped spring onions. Put some more sugar. We already have put some honey, but we're putting some sugar in this. हम डालेंगे अब थोड़ा सा peanuts. Yeah, so I'm covering it for 2 more minutes. Let's make our very quick papaya salad here. हाँ, तो काफ़ी मेहनत के बाद हमने papaya shred किया. See how nicely it's shredded. It looks like noodles. We'll be making salad out of this. So we have chopped a lot of veggies as you saw. And I'll be putting some of it in our salad because anyways हमारे पास बहुत ज़्यादा है. तो थोड़ा थोड़ा मैंने सब कुछ डाल दिया है. गाजर, खीरा और मूली. इवन ये स्प्राउट जो है मैं थोड़ा सा इसमें डाल रहा हूँ क्योंकि इतना ज़्यादा स्प्राउट हमें नूडल में डालने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. अब हम क्या करेंगे, अब हम इसमें अगेन we'll put our flavors in. So we'll be putting a lot of lime juice. ये हमारे पास पहले का आधा नींबू था. ऐसा बाकी सॉस जो है वो हम इसमें बनाएंगे. Yes, so we have taken brown sugar here, almost 2 teaspoons. I'm putting a little bit of salt. इसमें थोड़ी सी लाल मिर्च डाल रहा हूँ. अभी हम डालेंगे इसमें सॉसेस. सो ये है सोया सॉस. मैं डाल रहा हूँ करीब 1 बड़ा चम्मच. फिश सॉस करीब 1.5 बड़ा चम्मच. हम इसमें डालेंगे थोड़ा टैमरिंड पेस्ट. ये भी ऑप्शनल, अगर आपके पास है तो डालिए, नहीं है तो नींबू थोड़ा ज़्यादा डाल दीजिए. और हमने ऑलरेडी इसमें शुगर डाला था, ब्राउन शुगर, वाइट शुगर, आप कुछ भी डाल सकते हैं. और मैं थोड़ी सी हनी भी डाल रहा हूँ. हनी डाल दिया हमने. अब हमें कुछ नहीं करना है, इसको अच्छे से मिलाना है. सो मेक श्योर योर शुगर इज़ डिज़ोल्विंग प्रॉपरली. सैलेड के ऊपर डालूँगा, पूरा अच्छे से खाली कर देंगे. देखिए शुगर कुछ अच्छे से डिज़ोल्व नहीं हुआ है, बट वो हो जाएगा मिलाते मिलाते. अब मैं क्या करूँगा, मेरे पास कुछ लहसुन है, गार्लिक. अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू रफली चॉप इट. बहुत ज़्यादा बारीक चॉप करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. मैंने उसको क्रश किया और फिर मैं उसको अब हम ऐसे अच्छे से मिलाएंगे. मैं अपने हाथों को यूज़ कर रहा हूँ ताकि वो प्रॉपरली मिले. इसमें काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू मिक्स इट प्रॉपरली. There are 2 important ingredients which I'm yet to put. One is our peanuts, spring onion, and I'll be mixing it properly. The best garnish, some sesame. इसमें हरी मिर्च भी आप डाल सकते हैं, पर मुझे हरी मिर्च पसंद नहीं है, इसीलिए मैं नहीं डालता हूँ. तो ये हमारा पपाया सैलड रेडी. तो हमारी 2 स्टार्टर डिशेस रेडी हो चुके हैं. अब बनाते हैं, हम असेंबल करते हैं. हमारा नूडल्स तो बन चुका है. लेट्स असेंबल. हम राइस में little bit of oyster sauce. Again these are optional. आपके पास जो है आप डालिए. टेस्ट हमेशा अच्छा ही रहेगा. I had boiled my rice noodles and then I had strained them and kept them ready. So I'll be putting a little bit of rice noodles in here. My soup. Let's cover our noodles nicely. Yeah. So I'll be mixing it properly so that सारे sauces मिल जाए. इसको अच्छे से ऊपर लाता हूँ. Now let's put our topping one by one. So let's put our carrots, then radish. और थोड़ा ज़्यादा डाल देता हूँ. कैरेट, रेडिश, थोड़े से क्यूकम्बर ग्रीन कलर के लिए, थोड़े से स्प्राउट्स, चिकन, श्रेडेड चिकन बीच में, और अपना अंडा. और थोड़ा चिकन डाल रहा हूँ. Now very important thing, spring onions. So yeah, our soup bowl is ready. Let's enjoy this.